This fettuccine Alfredo turned out so good, I almost clapped for myself. Creamy, cheesy, and done in less time than it takes my chai to cool down. Let's get straight into it. Boil 3 cups of raw fettuccine pasta until al dente. That means soft but not mushy, like the balance we all pretend to have in life. While that's cooking, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Any pan is fine, but a pretty one helps you feel like a chef, even if you are in flip flops. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion and saute for 10 seconds. We are not trying to make biryani here, just a little flavor. Then add 4 finely chopped garlic cloves and cook for another 10 seconds. At this point, your kitchen should smell like you know what you are doing. Now pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Give it a gentle mix and let it warm up. Add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese or use parmesan, cheddar, whatever makes you happy. I had mozzarella, so that's what went in. Season with salt and black pepper, as much or as little as you like, but please taste as you go. We're not trying to surprise ourselves later. Now toss in boiled pasta. Don't forget a bit of that pasta water, just a splash. It makes everything come together like good gossip. Mix until the pasta is coated in creamy goodness. If it looks too dry, add a spoon of cream. If it looks too wet, keep going, you're close. Garnish with crushed chili flakes, black pepper, and fresh parsley if you are feeling fancy. If you enjoyed this no fuss recipe, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks Alfredo comes from a jar. Comment below and tell me, would you rather give up cheese forever or use Wi-Fi for a week? If this Alfredo fettuccine didn't impress you, either your taste buds are on strike or you have been secretly eating at 5-star hotels. I'll see you in another recipe. Goodbye. Take care and happy cooking.